If I'm to start forex trading all over, these are the 4 things I'll do differently. Number one is investing in mentorship. Okay, investing in mentorship in the sense that what mentorship will do to you in any skill that you want to learn, apart from trading right now, what mentorship is going to do to you is that it's going to shorten that journey for you. Something that's supposed to take you 1 year, 2 years, 3 years is going to make it short for you. Like 6 months, you have already gotten your stand, you have started seeing money. 1 year, you're already good at what you're doing. So that is what mentorship will do to you. You see that mentality of paying your mentor simply means you are making your mentor money. Of course, your mentor is making money from your mentorship money you pay to him, but the most important thing is you are enriching yourself, because that money you pay to learn that skills, when the skills start paying you, you're not going to give your mentor that money. That money is going to be stored in your bank account, and this is something that is going to pay you for years. So why not investing 100,000 naira for something that is going to give you financial freedom? Why do you complain? That is the mentality a lot of persons have. I need to debunk that mentality. Invest in mentorship in any skills, and it's going to shorten that journey for you. There are lots of people that are on YouTube that have been learning trading for the past 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, but they have nothing to write home about. But somebody that paid for a mentorship, in the next 6 months, 1 year, you see the person is getting more results than those person. Why? Because there are people that are doing this thing for a very long time, or they are doing something different. They know everything. That is the problem. Quantity over quality. They know everything, but they have nothing. The second thing I will invest in is consistency. Now, you might have the best strategy in the world, the best mentor in the world, but if you are not consistent with learning, you are still going to be stagnant. You are still going to be in that same position that you were yesterday. So I will advise you, whatever you are learning, be consistent in it. Put your mind to it, and you see that within the shortest period of time, you are beginning to start getting better at that thing. All right, it works everywhere. It works every time. Be consistent in learning. Be consistent in improvement. Be consistent in writing down your mistake. Be consistent in trying to refine everything you are learning. The third thing I will talk about is discipline. Whatever you are doing, and in forex trading, it's very, very important for you to be disciplined. Once you are not disciplined, everything is going to be messed up for you. Forex trading will force you to be disciplined. Be disciplined in learning. Be disciplined in mistake. Be disciplined in whatever you are doing. Okay, if you are not disciplined, you are not going to. If you are not disciplined in normal life, because one thing with trading is going to change who you are. Whether you are, no matter kind of person you are, it's going to change you. It's going to humble you. The space is not a space that is going to be so friendly. Okay, once you are coming into the space, just know that there's going to be a depressing time. There are times you will cry. There are times you cannot even express your emotion to anybody. So you have to be disciplined. You have to be ready to face all of those things, and these are the things that is going to help you in the long run, because what you already know, what you're already aware of, is not going to take you unaware. Okay, so you have to be disciplined in whatever you are doing. You have to become a changed person. Okay, discipline in trading is what has helped a lot of persons to be where they are today. The fourth thing I will talk about is quality over quantity. Okay, a lot of persons want to know everything about the market, but the truth of the thing is, the market is more about yourself than about the market. Trading is more about yourself than the market. You don't have to know every strategy. You don't have to know about every confluence, everything that you heard about in the market. You don't have to understand everything. The most important thing is the little one that you know, execute on it, improve on it, refine it, and that is it. There are people that want to know every strategy. There are people that want to know everything about trading. But let me tell you this, it is better to give one strategy 1,000 chance than to give 1,000 strategy a single chance. Because when you give one strategy 1,000 chance, this is when you become perfect. This is when you begin to see result, and this is what is going to start helping you to start getting that result in your trading journey. So today, what I'm going to do different if I'm starting out is, one, I will invest in mentorship. I don't want to start learning on my own. I want to pay somebody that is good, okay, that is capable, that can teach me. Okay, I want to be consistent. I don't want to just take it like this is something that, okay, just a normal thing. It is a skill, it's a full-time job. Okay, and the fourth thing I'll talk about, the third thing is I'll be disciplined, because discipline is going to help me, going to put me on the right track and know where I'm going. The fourth thing is I will chase quality of knowledge over quantity, because knowing everything is not what is going to make you profitable in trading. So the part 2 of this video, I'm going to still talk about 3 more things that you are going to do differently if you are starting. 3 more things I'm going to do differently if I'm starting. So drop your comment in the comment section, give me a like if you are seeing